Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now, as we speak, I'm going to pick up my package from Wigsbyshellyanncurran. This delivery guy told me 10:15 or 10:30, and look at this time. It's 2:10 now and he's already there. Good morning. He's already there. Oh my god. So you know your girl in a rush, literally. I'm not even fix my head. Thank God I'm bald. So I don't have to call me. Yeah guys, thank God I'm bald. I don't have to comb my hair. So this is how Becky Boo look today. Waiting on a taxi. They are having a sale, 50% off sale, in which I could not let that miss me. So yeah, here the Kibuko going on the road trip to get her here by Wigsbyshellyan. Make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram, check out their hair. Even though they have sale right now, their wigs are very affordable. I even bought one earlier last year, but I don't wear it as yet. I'm gonna wait for my birthday this year, so you will see that. But they have affordable wigs. So imagine when the ears say a sale, or me jump up and go on, because the wigs them already affordable, and because she say 50% off. Oh my god, that is a winner for me. One taxi I come. So hello. Yes. Yes, on this favor you. Thank you. So I really wanted to go back with him, but apparently he's not gonna load. We are. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Morning. What state? So tall. What the fuck? She said, well, come with me. Because, but I don't have much money.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. Honestly, I swear upon my life, I swear I know say I should have asked you, because she texted me and said
She can't take those now.
she can't. So, question, are you gonna follow me home?
You can't carry them?
I'm not driving from back, baby love, no. The same time it take me. I had to stop the video because Becky will need a beating. Becky will really need a beating. I'm not gonna blame them, you know. I blame myself because it's not the first time I'm buying from them. She actually told me $500 basically on the money one for buy for the week as delivery fee. But the last time she did a delivery for me, it was $1,500, and that's great. I put more. So I was thinking maybe because I put more mall, it's cheaper this time. But my subconscious was telling me that, you know, so maybe it's an error, she type error or something, because our delivery would be different. I see import more. But we just there hope say at 500. So your girl gone with the money. Yeah, your girl gone with the same exact money that was told, plus bus fare. No, I was contemplating like, what can I do? What should I do to like get this thing? Cause she said she can't take off all $1,000, and that's understandable. Yeah, even though the error was made. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I decided that I was gonna let him follow me home, but he was like, I gas money that, you know, gas and so forth. I understand that, yeah. And him saying, would I ride me? I not ride per my period, but I saw one of my taxi drivers, in the community, not my personal driver, but someone I used to travel with a lot. Yeah, a long time when I see myself, I said, thank you, Jesus. So I asked him, and he gave me the extra, and I gave the man. So I saw come reach home, so come and get my things all week and everything. But don't be like me. Yeah, I'm too conniving. Yeah, I'm really conniving. I'm not understand. You pay $1,500 for delivery. say a couple months ago. And then you think say $500 because of what you say, and you know you should have asked. And in my head, me pray, say at the 500 I win at 1500. But I'm still happy. And the way my body, I'm not even walk with my car much less. I say, yeah man, fat money. But baby love, these are my wigs. How could have made the sale pass me? Oh, somebody, I have to find somebody to give me that $1,000 because any, but if I get 2 weeks, I'm gonna fall. So, you know, the place I fix and everything, that's at a place like this. I really can't find nowhere better to do the video right now because it's peaceful and it's open. Yeah. Yaddy. Whatever them say. But guys, I'm actually selling a lipo personal care machine. So if you're interested, that's what I use. If you're interested, it's reasonable, affordable price. Just DM me in my account DEKIBOO_87_ on Instagram, or you can call. Yeah, I'm soon give out the call details and everything. But let's take a look. Since I started using my own, it has improved my belly. Yeah, it must be again. So guys, DM me. Make sure y'all DM me. At the end of this video, I might just show how the machine look. Oh man, I know you love me now.
No, but me say, you're not going to say, go back to the gate.
So we not hear this. Good girl.
What did you decide to share buy something with the past year, right? Wig. She should have big past year. She get a wig for the same person last year. For 50, the delivery fee are 1,500. With a put more, right? Somebody always shift and put more man and then takes down to 500 for delivery fee. Good girl with our boxers, go pick up myself with the $500. Loan that man. So where you think, Boda?
So we don't pay the ear with.
No, but I was just hoping to say.
Use kind.
No man, listen up. Yeah, I just wanted the person text me $500 more for delivery. For the last time it was $1,500. Where
For the ear and the delivery.
No man, the delivery only. For grade up more.
For 1 ear?
Yes.
Hold on. Right, my pause right.
So now 500 she takes. So now when me got the man, I say a 1,500 for delivery fee.
So hold on.
And she called. She called. No man, from Kingston. So I understand, cause you know when they take bus and so forth and a gas, you might take buy. I saw the delivery fee them say, but
hold on.
You know what?
Yeah, because that's the plausible. So me must pay your gas for you to come deliver to me.
Yes.
I mean already buy your product.
No, she remember them hire bearers, companies.
The $1,500 steep. You go around the road and go drive around Mandela, say now to pay no toll.
No gas.
$1,500 for carrying down Manchester and come back. $1,500 from Kingston to come right back. You know what?
Anyways.
After you not have the man, ear money.
We have the ear money, but now the committee got $500 because $500 pan the money.
You would have tell the lady
whatever she
would have to pay fees because when you're giving out information as a Jamaican, you must be accurate. Because you see a lot of numbskulls in Jamaica.
Yeah, like me.
I was a numbskull. That is a bit under.
People will take things literal.
People that don't have much of an understanding.
Right.
That I must say. We have a lot of those people that is ignorant and arrogant too. So at the end of the day, you have to be precise in your information when you're giving out information. You can't tell somebody $500 and then the cost is $1,500. Look how far 5 and 15 there.
True.
You understand what I'm saying? Because if it was
I was saying the same thing.
If it was me,
the facts we got the facts from them and it was $1,500 before.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, alright. If it was you,
me,
yes.
the man would have to carry it back. If you can't pay the $1,000, I don't want the product because we're doing a business here, so you must relate to me in the most accurate way possible, so that me and you will have no form of outcome and disruption in our business.
That is true.
You can't tell me $500 and then a man tell me 15. Come here, I buy them up now and we come this the last time me pay. $4,000 for the fee, and then all of a sudden it reaching the $5,000. I have to say, hold up, back up, stop it. Me will call 7 crib. Because the fee just go up more than what it normally goes.
Other day, I buy something. We not the delivery man. After the lady tell me $500, you're the poor man. You're the delivery man. 1,500. So I say, oh, 1,500 and the lady tell me 500. I just $1,000 more, just $1,000 more. And this and that. Yes, I just $1,000 more.
You know, how much?
So I say, wait now. I say, I will call the place here, no call them. I just $1,000 more. I put it on it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when me call them and them say X, I say, hold on, let me tell you this. So when me call an other food, when they give me my price, when I one go. $500 for the meal, $500 for
$650 for seven delivery.
For delivery. So at least I understand, cause here when the man go put on so much for delivery, me don't know about nobody, you know, but every penny for me counts, every penny mats up, every penny add up. None can subtract it, more for multiply when me I go benefit from it, but no subtraction now go on. I want to see, man.
When you have a snatch waist, your body look big. See? Pepsi. Got me sexy. Alright. Right off my too. Okay? Let's have to work over. I think that's 26-ish. One thing, them come through with them quality all the time. Have enough body compared to all that but with them on the time. It feel watch out, it has enough space. Yeah, come out. I am so amazed at how this hair looks, guys. When I say quantity and quality, anything loud, the hair heavy. Literally, I can see that the hair is full. Enough time I buy them type of hair and a base space, but this, this bad, I love it. You know when they normally go through a wig, you see BS. BS is normal. Them full. Very, very full. Yeah, I just want to say everybody have their own ways and how they view things. I'm not argue because the wig they can't sell. I see them get it for half price. What heap of money come off it? Not really one heap, but you know, money come off it. So it's a win-win. Alright, let me show you all what I'm selling. I've been really wanting one and saying, you know what, I want to sell them, start selling, because not much people sell them out here, and I know saying a lot of y'all want one or need one. Yeah, so this is it. I have these as well. These are night liposuction swimming cream. You can rub it on at night, do your procedures at night, your sessions. This is how it looks. You're gonna plug it in like this and use it. Yeah. So this is it. Rub this on. A little bit of this, you don't need much because it spreads and it's, you know, it's like liquid, like a lotion. Rub it to the area, then use this to rub the skin. You can use on your face to get rid of excess fat, hair, even hair, ties, and you know, you can get rid of back fats. Yeah. And the good thing about this device, it can be used when you want to. So instead of going to, you know, places that does these type of procedures every single 2 weeks or whenever, paying a lot of thousands of dollars, and I look this doing the procedure for $9,000, $10,000. Them prices there, have your own. Yeah, you can use it whenever or wherever you want, even at the gym. Why not get your own? You know, you have to think smart, because after you do the procedures wherever you do, you're gonna have to go back and you have to maintain your figure. It is just ridiculous to pay so much money for one session and then have to go back. I pay the next month for the next session, then I have to go back. And you not maintain or you not go to gym. Even when you use it, you must exercise. Okay? Even when you use it, you have to exercise, because yeah. Remember I said this is gonna burn the fat. You have to tighten that fat, because when that fat dissolve, or that's a word I should use, when it melts, I mean, yes. When that fat melts, you know, your skin might get, you know, a bit loose, but you need to exercise. I'm not telling you that your skin I get loose, you know, but mine don't get loose, man. Just saying, you know. Yeah, so you have to exercise along with using it. Me telling you that, and I don't exercise. Yeah, guys, so that's it for the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new, and let me know what you think about my wigs and my new product that I'm selling.